Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into the channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the best buttermilk biscuit southern style in my kitchen. Alright, first we're going to need to get us some gloves on. We got some self-rising flour. You're going to need a sifter. I was going to use my pastry cutter, but I'm not going to use that today. I'm going to do that, another recipe on that later. This is some lard right here. So you do need you some lard. This is a traditional. What I'm going to do here is take me like a half cup of lard. Just like that. That's a half cup. If you don't believe me, here's the half cup. I just didn't put it in there. Alright? Because I know how to measure it out. Alright? We're going to get some of this self-rising flour. Preferably Lily flour is the best flour. I couldn't find any at the store. So we're going to take us like 3 cups of this. I'm going to put it in my sifter. 1, 2, that's 3. Right there. Now, right here I have a teaspoon and a half of baking soda. I'm going to just put that in there. I have some sugar. This is a teaspoon of sugar. Put that in there. I have a teaspoon of sea salt, Himalaya. I'm going to put that in there, and I'm going to sift this. Now the reason why I'm sifting this is because it makes it airy. Alright, you're going to need a rolling pan. You're going to need a pastry cutter. So I have a glass right here. You see how big that is? Okay. So I'm going to use one of those. But I'm going to use this right here, the biscuit cutter. Okay. So I'm going to put this in here right now. Make sure it get floured on it. Put that to the side. Now what we're going to do is just like work this around up in here. So you want it like this. This is what it's going to make the flakes, okay? So I like to get my hand dirty. I could use that pastry cutter, but I don't want to do all that. I want it like this. So you're going to do this for probably about a good 2-3 minutes. See how I'm pushing down on it like this? See, I'm pushing down on it. See how it's coming out crumbly like? That's what we want. Okay, let me give you a close up on this. See how that's crumbly like? Just like that. That's what you want. Okay? So let me go to the refrigerator and get the buttermilk. Okay, here's my buttermilk right here. I'm gonna make a well first. Just like this. So we're gonna put a cup of that in there. Just like that. Now we just want to incorporate that in like so. Since I'm using 2 cups, I might go with like, well I use 3 cups, so I might go with like a cup and a half. So you don't want to overwork this. Okay guys? Nice and gentle. See that? You want it just like this. So now what we're gonna do is put some flour on the table. Just like so. We're gonna take this and put it on the table. We're gonna take some more flour and put it on top. Slightly dusting it. Take a little bit and put it on our rolling pin. Just like that. All we're gonna do is just do like this. Gonna roll this out. Excuse me. And we're gonna flip this. Just like that. We're gonna press down on it again. Roll it out. Some more flour. Lightly. We're gonna flip it. Just like that. Okay, we're going to flip it again. Time you get something to break off like that, that's okay. Just take us a little bit more flour. Put this over here to the side. We're going to put some more flour on this table. So we want this not to stick. Do one more flip. Flour over here. That's the last flip, guys. So we're just gonna take this and spread this out here. Then we're gonna start like rolling. Right up in here. All right, we're gonna take our little biscuit cutter close to the edge like that. That's what we're gonna have. So put this on the tray. That's it. I know some of y'all probably like, well, why you got that glass out here? You'll see what I mean at the end. You'll see why. Because normally you're gonna have some dough left over, and people back in the days, they normally make like what they call a hoe cake. And a hoe cake is pretty much like, hold on, let me go ahead and bring this back together. Alright, gonna take this, roll this out, flip this one. See if we can use this glass to make us one last big one. And you do want your biscuit to kind of touch, okay? Make this one last biscuit. Flip it. All right. I'll be trying to get it all. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'll be trying to get it all. If I can, I will. If I can't, I won't. So when it sticks on there like that, that means you need some more flour on your thing, your rolling pin, okay? I'm trying to get one last little biscuit. It might be a little small one. Not quite. That's good enough, I guess. Alright guys, let me show you this. Here's your biscuits right here. So, if you want them to be a little darker on the dark side a little bit, then what you would do is you would take you some butter or some egg wash or something, and then you brush it on there. And we're going to put this in the oven at 450 degrees, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. Just took these out the oven. We cooked it for about 15 to 20 minutes. And I'm just gonna put some of this butter on here. Now before I put it in the oven, I did put some butter on it. That's why it's brown like this already. So yeah, you just wanna drench it in some butter. This right here I'm using is salted butter. Alright guys, start plating these bad boys up. That's the brownest on them. And they fluffiest. Look at that. You want to let it cool. They might be breaking apart. Look at that. That looks so delicious. Put a little butter on this piece. Put it on this piece right here. They are so flaky and airy. Now I'm gonna let you guys try it. Here you go. Here you go, right here. Ooh wee. Get that piece right there. Hold on, I got someone gonna test this out. This is one of my moderators. She is my cousin, and she's not gonna lie to me. This is her. We're gonna see how good that biscuit is.
Really soft.
Yeah, it is super soft. I just took them out the oven. They taste good?
Mm-hmm.
No lie, tell people the truth.
No, it's good.
Okay. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. Bring my camera back down here. It's super soft and flaky. I'm gonna move this out the way. Alright, this is good. No more going to the restaurant for me. So I'm gonna put a little bit more butter on him. And you guys can serve this up with like with some honey, some syrup, or whatever you want. I'm gonna take up some of this honey right here. Just drizzle some on top of it. Not gonna get carried away, but just put a little honey on there. Like dust it with a little parsley flake. It don't have any flavor, just a little dust. Presentation. Okay guys, there you have it right there. The best buttermilk biscuit, Southern style, in VELDOGG's Kitchen. Alright, so please give me a like, share, and subscribe. And yes again, that's right, hit that bell so you too can be notified when I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG'S Kitchen. VELDOGG, I'm out.